So here are 5 reasons where my videos are not going viral and how I have corrected those things. And chances are, if you're watching this video right now, your videos are not going viral either. So watch this video to the very end so that you will learn a thing or two that you can apply to your own content so that your videos will go viral. Now, the reason why my videos are not going viral, number one, is I have boring introductions. Okay, my introductions used to be boring. I've been creating content for some months now, and over the course of time, I have realized my mistakes and I've grouped them into 5. And I'm mentioning the first one, which is boring introductions. Okay, and I've corrected these by starting my video and jumping straight into those videos. You see exactly how I started. 5 reasons, or rather, 5 reasons why my videos are not going viral. That's exactly how I started this video. Okay, and that's exactly how I'm starting all my videos now. I jump into it, and in the first 5 seconds, I've already told you what my video is all about. So eliminate the boring introductions in your videos and see your videos going viral. Okay, now the second reason why my videos are not going viral, and the second reason why your videos are not going viral either, is that I have boring titles. My titles used to be boring. Okay, now that you have seen the title of my video, it attracted you to come. Now the title is very simple: the 5 reasons why my videos are not going viral, and what I have done to correct these mistakes. Okay, now you, once you see that title, it's catchy to you, you want to watch the video, and then you want to learn a thing or two that you can apply to your own content so that your videos will start going viral. Now that was the second reason. Now the third reason why my videos are not going viral is that I used to have low quality content. Now, at least I don't have the best equipment to shoot my videos, but then my equipment are still good enough that my contents are not that bad, but not the best quality out there. But it's still a good enough quality that people can, can watch, and then they can hear you. They can hear you clearly. That's why I decided to invest in a mic so that I will eliminate some background noises so that people can be able to hear what I'm saying in my videos very well. So low quality videos low quality videos are one of the reasons why your contents are not going viral. Okay, and then it happened to me. That's why I'm telling you, so that those things will not happen to you too. Right? Okay, so that was the third one. Now the fourth reason why my videos are not going viral, and the fourth reason why your videos are not going viral either, is that your videos are too long. I remember when I first started, I used to talk a lot in my videos, and I used to add a lot of A rolls and B rolls. If you know what that means in editing, I used to add a lot of B rolls in my videos, and add some irrelevant things to make that video long. So, but now I decided to cut all those fluffs out and then get straight into my videos, because that's exactly what people are looking for in this modern day and age. Okay, make sure your videos are not too long. Give your information, jump straight into your information, drop that information, and move away. It's better that your videos are 1 minute, or people would watch it over and over and over again. It's better for your videos to be 1 minute and people watch it over and over again than for your videos to be 10 minutes and people don't watch up to 30 seconds. Which is better? I think the 1 minute one is better. So that was the fourth reason. Now, the fifth reason why your videos are not going viral, and why my videos didn't go viral either, is that I don't have valuable contents. Now I've decided to give value in all my contents. Like this very video you're watching, you are getting value in this video because you are learning reasons why your videos are not going viral and why my videos didn't go viral either. So now that you have known these 5 reasons why your videos are not going viral, I hope you apply this um, what you have learned in this video and correct those mistakes you have been making. I made those same mistakes, but now I've discovered that I'm not going to make these mistakes again. Like, comment, and share. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.